Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are looking at a requested deck. This is the Archangel Animal Oracle deck by Diana Cooper, and its art is by Marjolein Kruijt. I butchered that name and I'm so sorry. This is 44 cards and a guidebook. This is published by Hay House and it retails for $18.99. So I'm kind of excited about this just for the price alone because it's a pretty decent price. So the back says, Archangels work and direct animals, birds, reptiles, and insects, enabling the natural worlds to offer you guidance, as well as hope and inspiration. All creatures appear at exactly the right time to teach you what you need to learn. This deck contains 44 beautiful cards, each depicting an animal, bird, or insect, and the archangel associated with them. These oracle cards and the accompanying guidebook will help you to understand the animal kingdom and interpret its messages. So the box is all banged up from the delivery, but really typical Hay House packaging, which I'm not complaining about. So let's get into it. Look at the inside, how cute. Open your heart to the archangels and animals and be inspired by their love and guidance. Oh, that's so sweet. I love little surprises like that. Okay, so I already took off the little band, little paper band that they have around the cards. Let's just take a look real fast to see if there's anything special we need to know in order to use this deck. Looks like it has 3 spreads here. We have a 1 card, 3 card, and 7 card. Awesome. And then it goes into the meanings for each card. Let's see. Nope. It just looks like we're using archangels and the animals. And you use this deck like you would any other oracle deck. Okay, cool. Let's get into it. Here is the back. That is really pretty. It's like semi-gloss. It's not a super glossy card, which is nice. And okay, this is the first ant card that I'm like not triggered by. I cannot do ants. So let's see. First of all, the art is beautiful. Second of all, there are no borders, and it gives you the title of the card, a little blurb about it, and the archangel that it associates with. Interesting. All right. Okay, and the cardstock is very similar to all of the other Hay House decks. It's like not super thin, but not super thick, flexible enough, and I think it's just fine. Although I don't really care too much about cardstock, it's not a huge issue for me. This is adorable, but some people might. We're going in alphabetical order, it seems. This is so cute. I don't really know much about archangels or gravitate toward it, so this will be interesting for me to kind of learn a little bit more. It's just not something that like I don't know, don't really gravitate toward. Not saying that it's wrong or right, just saying I don't know anything about it really. This I love. Oh, beautiful. Look at the pretty deer. There's just so much light and vibrance in this deck. I'm really enjoying that. Oh my gosh. Aren't you so cute? Look at the little babies. Oh my goodness. Ugh. Oh, and a dolphin. Oh. All right, now if they have a llama / alpaca or well, they got a donkey or a peacock, this deck is complete for me. It's really pretty. Such a positive deck as well. Sees opportunities courageously. Wow, yeah. Oh, look at these little guys. Oh my goodness. The art is just beautiful. Oh, look at the little babies. Oh my gosh. Just adorable. Oh my gosh. See, okay, these animal decks that you guys request, this is what you get from me. Just the oohing and the awing and the oh my gosh the whole time, because oh my goodness, I just love them so much. Love animal decks. It's so like just, I've talked about it in another video and I can't remember what deck I was talking about it in. But the artist Thomas Kincaid, he was considered the artist of light because he just painted these beautiful landscapes and homes and houses and cottages with this light that just looked like it glowed on its own. And this is kind of similar. It's giving me similar feelings like that. Like it's just, oh, they do have a llama and it's amazing. Oh my gosh. All right. Seal of approval now. Oh. Of course, the owl. Beautiful. Oh, look, and it's got a rainbow. I keep saying I want like a lovebird or a little cockatiel. And like my heart says yes, I want it, but my head's like, no, absolutely not. Oh. We should have just bought a farm instead of a house. Oh, so pretty. That's different. The grid in the background. Oh. Oh, little baby. Oh, that's beautiful. Yay, we do get a tiger. Okay, we didn't get a peacock. We got a parrot. But I'll take it. Little turtle. It's a sea turtle. Oh my goodness. Oh. And one more card. Oh, of course, we have to have the wolf. Love. Okay, so 10 out of 10 for art. Like, I'm all about this. I love the animal choices. They make sense to me. And so far from what I could see about the little blurb that's on the cards, it makes sense as well there. So I couldn't tell you about the Archangel though. I don't know if that's anything correct or wrong or anything like that. I do not know. I don't think it's wrong. I really like it. It shuffles fine. It's like any other Hay House deck. I am not mad at it. The cards don't stick too bad. Let's see. All right, can I get one card, please? Yeah, they're not sticking to each other in a really horrible way, so that's really nice. Sometimes with that gloss coating, they like to stick together so you don't get a really good shuffle. They're kind of like this, but these flow pretty well. I still love a matte finish. It's just personal preference, but like this semi-gloss kind of deal is good too. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, so let's take a look at Hyena. Dare to be different. Really cool. Archangel Jophiel. You guys know me with names. I butcher them all. All right, so they do have in the front of the book a table of contents here, which will help immensely if you don't like to flip through willy-nilly. All right, Dare to be Different, Archangel Jophiel. Anyway, about hyenas. Hyenas are very intelligent and most unusual animals. They originate from Uranus and step into Earth through Sirius. All creatures from Uranus are harbingers of change and often behave in ways that challenge the norm and bring about social transformation. Hyenas are uniquely experimenting with the variant of long front legs and short back ones. Unusually, females are the leaders and heavier than males. Archangel Jophiel works with these animals to keep their connection to Uranus clear. These sociable and disciplined animals are learning and teaching about love, family, and community within a tight social structure. They express their intentions with clarity. Their sole mission is to accept that they are different. They are also learning to understand and balance their opposing qualities like cowardice with boldness and timidity. Yeah, I said it right. With ferocity. Their service mission is to clear up all leftovers so that our planet is kept clean physically and energetically. Guidance. All right. Hyena wisdom reminds you to accept your own special qualities. We are all different, and you are called upon to rejoice in your uniqueness. Be ready to bring out change in the dynamics of your family or community or in a work situation. Decide what is for your highest good, knowing that when something is right for you, the universe ensures it is in everyone else's best interests too. Keep yourself in equilibrium. Balance any reticence with a tendency to be forthright. Then listen to your inner guidance and act on it. Remember that self-discipline is the basis for ascension and mastery. Be yourself at all times. When you dare to be all you truly can be, people will admire and respect you. Okay, so besides the fact that apparently my reading skills are lacking today, or, I could just be getting really old. I really enjoy this deck. I think the guidance is super straightforward and clear. There is no reversals or crazy meanings. I feel like this is a perfect deck for anybody at any level. So if this connects with you, let me know down in the comments. I'm interested to hearing what you like, what you don't like. I love that this isn't super overtly religious in a way, because a lot of the times with like decks about angels or archangels, they tend to go toward the side of religion sometimes. And for me personally, that just makes me a little uncomfortable just because I don't follow that path. However, I understand that it makes sense. So anyway, this I like because it kind of gives you just the facts and the basics about, okay, this is the angel that you're working with, that are working with the animals, etc. I like that the cards seem to be a great quality. I like that it is straightforward. The art is stunning. I love it. Each card made me feel something, and the back of it is beautiful as well. It's just really fun. I feel like it's different than all the other little animal decks that I have, and I have quite the few just because I love the animal portion of it. So yeah, it's just, so sweet. It's like realistic without being realistic, if that makes any sense. I love this style. It's so accessible. You know what it is. It's not, crazy, like a crazy rendition. So super sweet, super positive deck. And yeah, I'm really I just have to make a little side note about the hyena one. Even like the knowledge about the animal itself, about how they are cleaning up of what's left behind, that makes so much sense without being super negative. You know how people relate vultures to everybody's dying and they clean up the ick and blah, blah, blah. And it's like a harbinger of bad news and all of this stuff. Hyenas get portrayed in a bad light too. And the fact that they added that in there, that was just really cool. So I'm excited about this deck. I'm excited to start using it. I really like it. And for $18.99, I am not mad at that price. I feel like you get just the right amount of information and the quality of the cards. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comment section. And you guys, I have merch. I don't know if you know, but I have merch, and I'm kind of excited about it because it's insane to me that I have merch. So I'll link it in the eye. It's always linked down in the description box below. So check it out. Let me know what you think. Like, this is not me saying buy it. I'm just saying check it out. Like, I'm kind of like really excited about it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you'll never miss an upload from me. All right, everyone. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.